lean it all the way, follow me, go ahead. Follow me, that's it, in order to do that. Yeah. Watch out on the expression, you don't want to work my brain.
Oh, that's right, you got it.
That's cool. That's so cool to get around. Oh yeah, I mean, but also it might also. I am way faster than the shooter.
No. This way. Yeah, but again, don't be in a hurry. You want to think about it. You don't want to move. You're standing on the edge of the fence. You want to reach and grab something and then fall.
Depends how far away it is.
Alright.
Yeah. Go wait a minute. Okay. Don't push legs. It's going to point at you. The leg that shouldn't be here. Okay. Ready? The other leg forward. All right. Ready? All right. No. See, you have no control after that.
Oh, okay.
You did that, yeah. Move on.
Move back.
Okay, you gotta move. If you feel it's coming here, move to the side.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't have to leave one on your foot. And you hit again if you want to go. You tap my shoulder like this.
Okay.
So it's cracking. Watch it on your foot. Okay? Under, no, under. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, push with this elbow too. Over here, push. Yeah, that's it. Okay, ready?
There's no way you can run this without down.
Yeah.
You move your foot.
There's no way after you home. There's just no way. There's so much information. Also, you do the whole day, just run this once.
Yeah, no kidding. You got it on.
Yeah, but there's no point.
Okay, you got me in the foot.
Good. Lay back.
There's no point spending 2 hours on the same route, even if you get it right.
That might
You
happen.
got one and never
If I've
practice
got a
it.
record written or something, to then practice and practice every night. Like I'll do every night. I'll pick one routine.
Yeah.
I'll stay on that night, and I'll do that
Do it
routine.
convention.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it doesn't mean I'm getting it exactly right. I still need somebody else
Yeah,
to take the
so stop for a second. Stop. Just hold.
But if I keep doing it again
You're
and
gonna grab
again
it.
and again, I'll be 90% right.
Right.
And I'm doing something
Okay, now
wrong,
can
I don't know.
you hold tight.
Myself.
It's hard. Well, wait, it's not easy because I feel the pressure.
What might be a good idea for you to set up a camera? I mean, some of this you got 2 people to do it.
Yeah. No, but let me put it this way.
Okay.
One of these moves, one of them, I'll stay home on a Tuesday night, and I'll do the same.
Slap the wrist.
I'll send you
Like
some.
that. Just slap it a little bit. Slap it so it'll hit the
I
other.
think when it's in your back,
Oh, I'm sorry.
spin round like it comes out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should actually feel as you're coming round, that is pushing it out of the way without realising it.
But you know how I shows us how to do it, right?
Fine, okay.
And then I try, and it's like, no. And I do it again, no. And I keep doing different things wrong. I do one thing right, and then eventually I get it right.
Just like you do that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right,
right.
yeah, okay.
Okay.
That process is what I did complete.
Okay.
Let's say there's 5 things to do. And the first time I try, I get 1 right but 4 wrong.
Move the hand first.
And then you get
Fine.
the second one right, and then the first one
And
right.
eventually I
Go.
got 5
I'll do
on
that.
1 move.
Okay.
And for me to go and look at that video at home and look at and be conscious of that foot that I didn't do.
Yeah.
And after a while,
Yeah, so you see you move it too far, you got
without
this
even thinking
tension.
about it, getting 4 or 5. I think I'm getting
You
all 5.
just want to tap the wrist because if you don't, just move your hand.
Again.
If you don't do it, don't do it.
But when I come back that second time,
Right.
you're almost there. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. And this hand comes out of here, just like, yeah.
Yeah, I'll put them down together.
Okay?
For anyone
Do it.
who's multi-use.
Yeah. You have time, you're close, you're holding, you can
Yeah,
play.
we could have like a full 4 hours once I'm getting just on those. Full 4 hours just on nights.
Okay. Okay, now do it, so I will not be able to shoot you again. Okay, that was good. Okay, ready? You ready? You feel it?
I didn't feel it.
Okay.
No, you missed it. Do it again.
Head first. Move. Don't try to do head first, and then immediately slap with your hand.
missed it completely, yeah.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, he did good.
All right.
All right,
You
we
can
just
see
see
a hair
it.
ruffle if you do.
That is a great workout.
Right.
Fucker.
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you.
Is that gonna make the outtakes?
Hold this. Right here. Here. Try to point it at me. Point it.
Try to wait.
There. Okay?
So
Go slow, go slow.
Okay, let's just do it slow.
Don't look at it, look at me. Right. No. You're pushing it over there, you gotta push it on me.
Okay.
Don't grab it.
Right? Yeah, but you gotta pivot.
This?
Yeah. And you're falling straight, you need to on the side.
This one. This side or that side?
This head is forward, so you're gonna always weight on the front leg.
Okay.
The shoulder that your hand is, that's the one that goes forward.
Right? You don't wanna move your body.
Okay.
Unless I'm here. You throw it, you reach underneath the barrel, right? And now reach and tap my chest.
With my.
No,
Yeah.
yeah.
And grab. Right? Put all your weight in here. Right? Move to the side, don't let me point it in here. Okay? Now I'm doing the other one. Okay? And here, what's my favorite? Ready? Now, you go like this. So you're lifting, it's still on you. What? Hold it. Once you reach here, you're not doing this. You're gonna get in your head. You do this, right? Watch me. This hand is gonna go on this line right here.
Okay.
Like this. Here.
Okay.
See? On that line.
Okay.
I'm going to the center, it's going to divert everything to the side.
Okay.
So I'm here, I'm going here. Right? When I finish with the hand, I should lean forward.
You gotta
I don't
catch
step. I put all my weight here, and now I can release that leg up front.
Let me just do one slow, right? So I go that.
You're lifting it up, going to the center. If it's here, it's coming here. If it's here, it's coming here.
Okay.
Do not lift it up and down. Go ahead.
Grab it.
No. You want to be on this side. Go to the wall and do this 10 times. Yeah, this is how you're going to be. And stay on that side. Now, okay, do this. Put your hand on the wall. And from here, punch here like that. On the side. Punch here. It's easier, watch me. If the arm is down, I can reach you with this hand. Okay, ready? Just the arm. Go ahead.
Push into the wall.
Grab.
Lean and push into the
Turn your
wall.
shoulder. Put all the weight. Okay. This is down. Okay. Punch here. Okay. Extract. Okay. Ready? Do it another time. Look, you come in like this. Look. There's something in there, right? I feel it, right? When I feel it, you go forward. Feel it, you go forward. You don't resist up. You're going to be under me. Why? I don't want to do this. Still on me. So when I feel it, you go forward, right?
Oh, so you're not under the trigger belt.
Okay,
You're on-
this is a freaking hook, right?
Yeah.
I'm going.
Right there, you caught my wrist.
You see, like an airplane are fueling each other in the air. They have something like a hook. You find it, right? From here, when I find it, I go forward. Right? Watch. On my way, I'm leaning here, and then I'm landing with a punch here, like this. Right? And then I'm coming here with my elbow here.
Tom?
I'm hitting with my elbow.
So when you find it, you then change angle.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if it ends up where you're under the wrist, you don't readjust. You just
Oh,
go with
you
wherever.
want?
Right.
Go with wherever it
So
goes.
the end position
Right,
is
it's all right.
as soon as you find it, you go to that.
Oh, all right. So this is just index. So I'm just indexing, but basically I'm just pushing this way. So do I?
That's it. Yeah.
and then grab.
Yeah. 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 Okay, ready? Go straight. You don't move your foot, I see it. Can you slow it down?
It's good.
Forgot the punch. Now again, watch this again. Right. I got a lot of options, right? Tailbone, here. Okay. I got the gun.
For some reason, Tom, I'm just
Yeah.
watching your feet as you're moving.
Yeah.
You're moving that foot slightly back.
Okay.
You're doing this.
Okay.
Okay, just on those last few there.
So should I just be literally?
Yes.
Exactly like that. So
Ready?
as the weight, as you lean
You-
forward, your
you
foot falls
are
in a position.
Sneaking on a sentry with your hand first, right? Once the barrel is away, then you want to make sure, I mean, you're already here, right? If I move my foot, I don't have any leverage on the pistol. But if I move my weight, I do. So you move your weight and foot follows.
You know, it's like pushing against the wall. You are off balance.
But is this initial movement, is it slow or quick? This initial, like, am I supposed to go fast from here?
Oh yeah, I want you to do it slow,
Right.
To start
so
with.
you figure out the right sequence, so you don't try to do the second step before the first.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah, turn more to the side, yeah. Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do it a little faster, go ahead. No? You do it faster, you're leaning forward already. You're not leaning forward until you reach the
So
pistol.
if you're this distance and I can't grab the gun without.
Right, lift it up. Yeah, don't move it. You want to turn your body completely. Put all your weight on it.
All right.
You don't need to move. Right. Put all your weight on me, yeah? Mm-hmm. And stay on your side, yeah? Mm-hmm. Punch. Extract. Okay. Ready? Fast. Forgot to punch.
Oh, punch the simultaneous.
Well, do the whole thing. Tap on the shoulder.
Okay.
Remove your foot. Okay, tap on the shoulder. Okay, extract. Don't look at the pistol, look at it. No, you came from the side.
So the hook is the fish. For the,
Ready?
so you can do it in the dark.
Yeah. So as soon as you,
And you did it slow.
as soon as you feel it, you then go to the push again.
Ready?
Yeah. And then keep leaning, almost keep
While you're
forward.
doing this, I'm gonna shoot you.
I know.
Yeah, so
Well, can I close the distance?
Exactly.
As far as you
I mean, this is basically the
From
distance.
here, maybe, I don't know.
Yeah.
Think about taking a step because you
I'll bring it up
lean as soon as you're on
Okay.
balance.
Let's see.
But you want to.
This is too much of a distance. If he's really out left, it's gonna be really hard, but I'm gonna try. Let's see. First off, I know he's not gonna shoot all the time, so I wanna make sure he does. If I move, if I do something, shoot, okay?
Shoot. Just keep shooting.
You gotta shoot.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm trying.
oh, you're trying to get me to shoot.
When he moves, shoot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Slightest movement.
Yeah. Keep
Shoot.
You've not got your finger on the trigger.
Ah!
Put your finger on the trigger, man.
No.
Huh?
Put my finger on shit. Have you ever shot a gun before?
It's not really, huh?
Well, it's close enough.
That is my safety.
Yeah, do this. You see me move, right?
IDS side. Never mind your finger. It's not going to break your finger.
Yeah, I count to 3.
Put your finger on the trigger.
I count to 2 now. Ready? Oh, that was good.
All right.
Ready?
Now.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start here. Head first. Move your head and do a slap.
This is easy.
Little slap. Don't grab it. Don't grab it this end.
Tap.
Slap it and grab it the other end.
Where should this be? Once I slap and I come in, where am I?
Watch this.
We've also
Okay, the other hand out to the shoulder. Pull this hand.
Americans.
Okay, hit with this hand, yeah, extract. Yeah. And watch out, look, when you extract, look at this, so he's not going to be trying to do something.
Real bullets now.
Yeah,
He's off. He's
The
off.
real bullets in now.
He's off.
Yeah,
Safe right now.
it's a dual gun.
Okay, you grab this, you can punch, I can punch you. You can't hit. Just slap it with this hand. Yeah, but don't touch it, stay in front. You move your head, right? This is a gun, so it's not going to be, right? It's statically, I make sure that the pistol is not pointing. Try to point the pistol at me, I'm here. Statically.
Okay.
This is like a guard, a fence, right? You pull your hand, I'm moving in, right? Pull your hand, I'm moving in. Here, I have this arm to injure because I didn't
Almost
need
fall
to.
down.
The challenge
Yeah.
is right over this.
Okay.
You try to do 5 different things exactly the same time.
Yeah, I know. That's where the video comes in.
Yeah, it's like the detonation.
Yeah.
And the hand actually works the same time.
It's like a video.
With this, you grab with this hand.
Oh.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. No, the other way. Like this, like this.
Like that?
Yeah, here.
So heavy.
No, thumb down. Over there, yeah. Not on you. Checkmate.
Take your breath, Tom. Just breathe in, breathe out. Alright, go again.
Ready?
Yeah.
I have to do one slow, just because this is.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm just gonna go slow, so don't shoot me.
Shoot.
So I slowly go to the side, slap,
Yeah.
to stay
Slap.
static,
Slap. Slap and fish. Hook. Hook.
Fish.
Hook. Yeah.
then strike.
Fish or elbow, yeah. Now. Yeah.
Down.
Yeah, beautiful. Now let's see a little faster. Yeah, good?
Yeah.
Boom.
Okay.
You.
Yeah. You forgot to hit. Now, you see, it was here, it starts sliding. When you pull your hand, if it's sliding, move your body forward. You want to fall on me.
Okay.
Even if it takes your leg off the ground, if you're being pulled, don't have it stay here, it's going to slide, you move in.
Okay.
Fall, I mean, you're falling, then that's what's going to come. It's going to be a little more momentum, ready? Yeah, okay. Okay, ready? Now we're going to shoot.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Fast. Let's try from here. Move in. Yeah. Okay, ready? Okay, you feel it or no?
Hang on, just on that one, you went under, let go, then went over.
Okay.
Not this way.
Okay.
Yeah, no, this is good.
Yeah, you're right. Wait, you did it before? Or you just...
No, I did, we were, change hand,
Oh, okay.
it was there, just change hand position from there to there.
Just stay on that, you don't have time.
So my best grip is like this or like this?
No.
No, the fastest, your fastest.
You're wasting time coming on top.
Both under. Both under.
And you want to leave it low.
Look where your hands are to start, your hands are down low,
Okay.
to bring them
Ready?
over, it takes too long.
Go ahead.
So here's, alright, so here's.
Side step forward, go ahead, do it, we don't have time, go ahead, side step forward. After you deflect the barrel, okay? Deflect and side step and then grab it to it. Huh? Hit the stone, yeah? Okay, ready? You feel it?
No.
No, I missed it.
Ready? Watch out, wait with the exchange, I tell you to extract, then extract. Because
Okay.
I will broke my finger. Ready?
Sorry.
I'll pull the finger out.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
You
You see his ring came up. He laughed it off.
That's a business.
Ready? Almost like you should have burned it. Go on.
Get all this on video.
Okay, ready? Ready? Okay, you feel it? No?
No, I mean, you know, you may have got me in the arm.
Okay. Try to see what he's doing wrong. Right.
You know what? You know what's going on there?
Alright.
You're hitting it way too
Let's try from the back.
far.
Okay. You actually didn't do this drill before, but
Right.
That's a big chance.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
Oh, he wasn't there.
That's alright, let's shoot him anyway.
Just shoot him.
Yeah.
Sorry, go ahead, try and shoot me.
You're gonna shoot him.
Bye bye.
So what?
You didn't do this drill at all?
No.
You wanna try?
Yeah, show me.
Let me think.
No, if you do slow, shoot.
No, but I'm going slow, I just want to get it right.
You can't do this one slow.
No, but I'm going to practice.
It's momentum.
Let me practice the move.
No, that's what I'm saying. This move you cannot practice in slow motion.
Yeah.
Basically with a shoulder. Yeah, but
Okay, once I'm round, what do I do?
you do not want to bend your knee. You want to stand erect and spin on a spot, leaving the ground. So throw the shoulder. Well, don't worry about your leg. You're going to be pulled off the ground and leg. Go ahead. More or less. Leave the right leg trailing up in the air. No, leave it up like that. Good? And without putting it down, you want to keep it down. So you stay centered instead of leaning to the side. Now you don't want to spin on that leg, you're leaving the ground and land. Don't jump. Turn it, face me immediately. Face. Yeah. Do you ever feed a dog and then pat him on the back? Immediately he can turn around and bite you. Go ahead. Keep your arms down. Right.
Keep up right
Spin
leg.
your whole body, go ahead. Yeah. A little faster, go ahead. No, you hold, stand straight, go ahead. Okay, well, let's try.
And once I'm round,
Push around.
Then this hand is going under, fish. Like this.
okay, so I'm round, so
You hit punch, elbow, knee, whatever.
So,
the next
so once
same
I'm
time.
round, fish on the outside.
Punch. Yeah, punch.
Yeah. Punch, elbow.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, this way. Like this. Okay, yeah.
Okay,
Good.
so fish on the outside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going around. One hand. Now,
Punch.
don't waste your time thinking how to grab before you complete the turn. This is what happens. It's slowly down. You go like this, and you're losing balance.
Just move it this
You're
way.
not turning fast.
Just move it this way 2 feet. Yeah.
But at the end of the turn,
You stand straight in front of me.
I've got to be straight. So finish my turn.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Then-
don't get ready for, no, you're turning like this, getting ready to grab.
When your arms at your side, it will automatically push the gun a bit slightly away.
You know, you're not pushing anything.
No, it will not pushing it, but what I'm saying, when you spin around fast, if you've got this here, you spin around fast. See what I mean?
You're jumping up and down.
You're not moving the sound, just your momentum.
Go ahead.